Hi guys, welcome to math. We are going to be looking at our math. We are starting a new topic. Our topic is going to be about time. Now this is a tricky question. What we're going to be doing is we are going to not look at the clock. So our task today for our solve and share is draw a picture to show how you would tell time without clocks. Then tell a partner whether we need clocks or we don't need clocks. Now, we don't have a partner like we do in class, but you can tell somebody at your house. Tell them if you need clocks or you don't need clocks. But first, I want you to think of a picture to draw that would help you tell time without using a clock. Think about what happens outside. Think about what your body does. Think about all those things that you kind of know what time it is without actually looking at a clock. So let's see here. When I wake up, I know it's morning time. And the first thing I do is usually my tummy grumbles. Because what is my body telling me? That I'm hungry. And in the morning, I eat breakfast. So here is me. Whoa. I need some food. So here are my arms and my legs, but my tummy is hungry, so it is going to make some loud gurgling noises. Okay, so I know if I am hungry, my stomach will rumble in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening at breakfast time, lunchtime, and dinner time. Think of another way that you might be able to tell what time it is without looking at a clock. I know something in the sky. I'm not going to tell you, but I want you to maybe think about how something in the sky tells you what time it is without looking at a clock. So I want you to tell somebody in your family today how you can tell what time it is or near what time it is without a clock and whether we need a clock or we don't need a clock. Okay, now let's look at our visual learning. Is the hour hand. It shows the hour. Is the hour hand pointing to? Now, if you notice that my hour hand is a different color than the one on your screen, that is okay. My hour hand is pointing to the same number as the hour hand on the screen. What number is it pointing to? Right, it's pointing to 3. Even though it's not touching the 3, it is still pointing to the 3. Points to the 3. Okay, the long hand is pointing up right now. How can you tell the difference between the hour hand and the minute hand? I know they're different colors, but I want you to look past that. How can you tell? We mentioned already that the hour hand doesn't touch the number. Look at the minute hand. Does the minute hand touch the number? Yeah, it does. It is longer. What? This is the hour hand. So is this the number we're looking for? No, it asks what number is the minute hand pointing to? What number is that? It is the number 12. Oops. All right. When you guys ask me what time is it, what time is it, what do I end up telling you? I usually say the number that the hour hand is pointing to, and then some numbers to follow the minute hand. But this is not how I say 3:12. When my minute hand is pointing to the 12, we say 3 o'clock. We look at the which hand? Hour hand. And we look at the minute hand. Okay, their number changed, their clock changed, so I'm going to change my clock. But we are going to look at our guided practice with this new one. And I'm going to make it bigger. Now, if I look at the guided practice, it says write the time shown on each clock. Notice that there is an hour hand and a minute hand. My clock right now is the same as number 1. My hour hand is pointing to the number 4, and my minute hand is pointing to the number 12. But I don't say 4:12. Remember, what do we say when our minute hand is pointing to the 12? We say the hour, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Now I want you to look at number 2. Look at number 2. Where is the hour hand pointing to? Where is the hour hand pointing to? The hour hand is pointing to the number 9. The minute hand is still pointing to the number 12. Hour hand is 9. Minute hand is 12. So what time is it? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Now I'm going to bring my clock back to where it was during our visual learning. My hour hand is pointing to what? My minute hand is pointing to what? Fill those in. Or say them out loud if you're not writing along with me. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Now, look at the do you understand? How is the hour hand different from the minute hand? Now, I don't want you to tell me that they're different colors because not all clocks have different colors. I want you to tell me how else they are different. Tell somebody in your house, how they are different. How is the hour hand different from the minute hand? Okay, now on Seesaw, you guys will see this, this practice sheet. I want you to use 2 different colors, but I also need to know how I know that they are right. I want you to make sure that the minute hand is long and touching the numbers, and the hour hand is short, still pointing to the number, but not touching it. I need to make sure that you know the difference between the hour hand and the minute hand. So look for this independent practice on Seesaw. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.